Hey Wilson, ProgrammExpress. I'm just going to give a quick demo of the cluster dashboard reporting development that we've done. We've stored it all on the Demo 11 system, so we've copied the Imperial tobacco data and we've put the new developments, the new reports on this Demo 11 system. So if you log in with your normal I2G username and password, that should get you in. I shall log on with the ProgrammExpress administrator password. And just to show you what we've done is we've set up a new hierarchy of clusters, initiatives and projects, or so I say clusters and initiatives. Reason being that we tried it with Imperial tobacco data, but it was slightly inconsistent, and this definitely needs to be consistent data. So what we've done is we've set up initiatives, use examples, HR, sales and marketing, finance, with the initiatives underneath, and then we've set up views, a cluster view by, again, examples by clusters of France, Germany and United Kingdom. Okay, now within the projects, what we've done is we have set up some template plans. They are all the same for all the initiatives, and they will be the ones that you recognise from the slide three of that PowerPoint show that you originally showed us. We're showing level 1, showing the level 2, and showing everything ticked as a key task. And that is important, that we have to be fairly prescriptive, that it's level 1 and level 2 ticked as key if you want those to appear on the report. It doesn't have to be prescriptive about what those phases and key tasks are or key milestones are. It just has to be in that format, level 1, level 2 key. Okay, so what we are going to do then is now show how we have amended the reporting screen and show that we have set up this new report. Down at the bottom under ITG reports, so these are the bespoke reports, and we have a new report now called RAG Milestones. So if I were just to click RAG Milestones under Initiative and create, you will see in a PDF format, and we've decided to do that as well as the Excel, you will see a mirror of that PowerPoint slide that you showed us. We've showed the phases of steps due to the overrunning of those phases if we had them all in one line. So we have done that. And also what we have decided to do is to more integrate the report so that it looks like the other reports. So if we go into report settings, you'll see now that it really mirrors the RAG status report in terms of the settings. So you have what you required, but you could also pick and mix, add further columns if you wanted to. So for example, we'll click status and create, and we'll fill out the page a bit. And there we will show the report with an extra column. So with any of these things you could add the extra columns if you so wished. So we have it as PDF and we have it as an Excel. So that is the initiative report. I can obviously now, because I've set up the view of cluster, I can run exactly the same report as a cluster view. Click create. Open into a new window, and now we will see that report again. Now obviously we've decided to integrate it as a ProgrammExpress report, as includes the PDF. Your specific requirement was to be able to export it to Excel. So let's do just that. Change the format to Excel. Using the A2 cluster example, click create. Open that up, and you will see the same report now exported to Excel, and you can now start to play around, develop macros around, etc. And you have the flexibility that we get with Excel. Same report downloaded to Excel. Now, one more thing I'm going to show you in terms of the tasks. If I open up an initiative, let's say example in HR, what I'm showing is that, and I mentioned that we have to be prescriptive about level 1, level 2 tasks and making the task key, but we don't have to be prescriptive about what those phases and tasks are. So if I just say, for example, within deploy planning, I'm going to add 4 new tasks. I'll call them A, B, C, and D. Click Save. Back up to our report. A1 initiative. Back down to RAG milestones. Click Create. You will see that's the same report. The A, B, C, and D doesn't appear because I didn't make those key milestones or key tasks. So if I now do that, back up, let's just run it from HR. We can run this from any level. We'll just have a look at the HR initiatives, click Make Milestones, and you will now see that that report appears with a new set of key tasks within them. Just demonstrating the point you've got total flexibility about what those key tasks and phases actually are. So I think that probably concludes. That's all we really wanted to do was just show an example of where we'd set it up, B, using a hierarchy that we've set up that mirrors your requirements and what you would want to do within your live data, and also just show where the report sits and the flexibility of this RAG milestones report by PDF or by any other settings. And if I just show one more to complete, let's say, for example, we want a smaller font and let's put more information on. Let's go down to commentary. We'll have the RAG comments, but let's also say we'll have the overall height level status, but we'll also have next steps. We've changed the font size to small. I might even have status and manager within there. Click Create. So there, we've just got a bit more to go at. Actually, I've not excluded the A, B, C, and D, which means that it overruns the page. So I click Create again. By taking out one of the columns, it now all fits into one page, and we can open that up. Okay, so that really concludes. Hopefully you'll be able to have a look at it yourself, have a play on the demo 11 system using your own user ID and password. There's an email to follow which suggests that you do just that, have a play with it, see if it meets the requirements, and then we can maybe convene on a call to see what the best next steps are. Okay, thank you for listening. Bye.